Yo, what's up everyone? It's RageBand14 and welcome back to the channel. We've been on a serious web dev grind lately, dropping vlog after vlog about everything from the basics of HTML to getting deep into the world of AI. Now, I know not everyone has the time to binge watch every single video, so consider this your cheat sheet, your TLDR, your Spark Notes for all things web development. We're about to break down the biggest lessons learned, the aha moments, and the straight-up facepalm mistakes we made along the way. Think of it like a highlight reel, but instead of crazy dunks, we've got elegant code, mind-blowing animations, and maybe even a few existential crises about the future of AI. Just kidding, kinda. So, whether you're a coding newbie trying to build your first website or a seasoned pro looking for some fresh inspiration, stick around because things are about to get technical. Let's dive into the world of HTML, CSS, and AI, and see what this whole web development thing is really all about. Alright, let's kick things off with the backbone of any website, HTML. If you think of a website like a house, HTML is the foundation, the walls, the roof, the essential structure that holds everything together. We spent a good chunk of time exploring HTML in our vlogs, and trust me, it's way more exciting than it might sound. Remember those sleek hero sections on our portfolio website? Yeah, that's HTML in action. And then there's the magic of CSS grids. Talk about a game changer. We used grids to create some seriously clean and responsive layouts, making sure our content looked amazing on any screen size, from a tiny smartphone to a massive monitor. And speaking of user experience, let's not forget about navigation bars. We experimented with different navbar designs, keeping things simple and intuitive for our visitors. Oh, and did I mention Bootstrap? This framework became our best friend when it came to building out those nav bars and layout grids. Bootstrap is like having a toolbox full of pre-built components, saving us tons of time and effort. So, yeah, HTML might seem basic, but mastering the fundamentals is key to building a website that's both beautiful and functional. Now let's inject some personality and visual flair into our website with CSS, because let's be real, nobody wants to look at a plain, boring web page. We went all out with CSS styling, experimenting with everything from vibrant colors and smooth gradients to custom fonts and eye-catching shadows. And you know we had to throw in some animations. We're talking neon button effects that pop, fade animations for that sleek and modern feel, and even a full-blown fireworks display using CSS and a touch of JavaScript. Because why not? But CSS isn't just about making things pretty, it's also about enhancing the user experience. We dove deep into creating dynamic elements like drop-down filters that make navigation a breeze and responsive scroll bars that feel right at home on any device. We even explored parallax scrolling effects, adding that extra layer of depth and immersion to our website. The possibilities with CSS are pretty much endless, and the best part is that it works seamlessly with HTML. It's like they were meant to be together. So, don't underestimate the power of CSS. It's the secret sauce that can transform a good website into a truly great one. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the AI in the code. Artificial intelligence is everywhere these days, and web development is no exception. We experimented with some seriously cool AI tools that blew our minds. Imagine blending multiple images together to create unique and captivating visuals. Yeah, AI can do that, and it's pretty awesome. But AI's role in web dev goes way beyond just fancy images. We discovered how AI is being used to write code, optimize website performance, and even personalize user experiences. It's like having a superpowered assistant that can handle those repetitive tasks and help us make smarter design decisions. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is AI going to replace web developers? And honestly, it's a valid question. But from what we've seen, AI is more of a powerful tool that can augment our skills and push the boundaries of what's possible in web development. It's all about embracing these new technologies and using them to our advantage. We've got the looks down, but what about the performance? In this chapter, we focused on optimizing our website for speed and interactivity. Because let's be real, nobody wants to wait around for a slow website to load. We implemented smooth scrolling animations, making navigation a seamless experience. We also explored interactive media designs, incorporating videos, animations, and other engaging elements to keep our visitors hooked. And of course, we had to talk about the different web development tools out there. From Framer and Wix to our trusty companion Bootstrap, We experimented with various platforms to see which ones best suited our needs. And that's a key takeaway right there. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. The right tool depends on the project, your skill level, and your personal preferences. So don't be afraid to explore different options and find what works best for you. The world of web development is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to learn. Now, before we wrap things up, let's take a step back from the technical stuff and talk about the bigger picture. Web development isn't just about writing code, it's about problem solving, creativity, and maybe even a little bit of caffeine-fueled inspiration at 2 a.m. Throughout this journey, we learned some valuable lessons that go beyond the code itself. First and foremost, patience is key. Building a great website takes time and effort. There will be moments of frustration, moments of doubt, and moments where you just want to throw your computer out the window. But trust me, the feeling of accomplishment when you finally see your vision come to life makes it all worthwhile. And speaking of vision, let your creativity shine through. Coding is an art form, and your website is your canvas. Don't be afraid to experiment, think outside the box and break the mold. Embrace the learning process, because in the world of web development, there's always something new to discover. And that's a wrap on this web development odyssey. We've covered a ton of ground, from the fundamentals of HTML and CSS to the exciting world of AI and website optimization. Remember those early days of struggling with basic HTML tags? Look at us now, building interactive websites with style. But here's the thing, this is just the beginning. The world of web development is constantly evolving, with new technologies, tools, and trends emerging all the time. So, stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, and never stop experimenting. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey, and we'll catch you in the next video with more web dev adventures. Keep coding, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Peace out.